Welcome to the Man and the Pan. Today you guys are going to get a real treat. I got two beautiful ladies over here. They're going to show you how to make Korean pancake. And it's in the store and in KTA, so it might be a little noisy. And we got Rebecca here. Rebecca is from CU Hawaii. And then you know what, CU Hawaii is an amazing financial institution. And who do you have here?
This is my friend Sue, and she's a farmer here in East Hawaii. And she grows lots of foods that come into actually KTA as well, among other places like Food Basket.
Wow.
So what do you grow, Sue?
I grow kale, cilantro, and chive.
So why don't you educate us on how to cook chives to make your Korean pancake?
These are all things you can find right here at KTA. So we're using a Korean pancake mix as well as a frozen seafood mix that's available in the freezer. We add some chives, which is the main ingredient, and onions and some seasoning, and we'll also make the yummy sauce. You know, you need the sauce.
Okay, you start with a mix.
So we need 1 cup of water.
Okay, and notice I use white kale water.
Yeah,
right?
our favorite here in
Yeah,
Hawaii.
yeah. And by the way, Rebecca,
Yeah,
you cook.
I love to cook.
You don't
Yeah.
look like the cooking type.
I know. I love to eat too.
Yeah.
I know. People they underestimate my ability to put
Oh,
food
is
away.
that right?
We can cook a lot of Korean food at home.
Oh, nice.
Like kimchi
nice.
stew on a day like this, rainy kind.
Nice.
Lot of pancakes. We make it with
Yeah.
different things. You can
Yeah.
use this pancake mix and put different ingredients. So if you don't eat seafood, for example, you could put pork. You could put different kinds of protein. You can make them with tofu if you're vegetarian. So it's really versatile.
So what you did there, you put 2 cups of the pancake mix, you put in a cup of water, and I saw you put in an
One
egg.
egg. Yeah.
Mountain Apple brand local eggs, yeah. And thank you very much for farming, because we need to be a little bit more food sustainable here. Fine. Half onions, nicely sliced. Half a bag of the seafood mix.
Yeah, most important ingredient.
Yeah.
So chives are low calorie, very nutritious food. Okay, so here we're using olive oil. Typically we don't use olive oil
I know.
for Korean cooking, but that's
but
okay.
you know why I use olive oil? Because my cholesterol is really bad, and I started to use olive oil. Went down 30 points.
You gotta make it on medium-high heat, okay? Because you want it to cook and crisp, but you don't want it so hot that it burns.
Oh, okay.
And you want a thin layer. So if you
Okay.
make them too thick, it's gonna be chewy instead of crispy and light.
You want them crispy.
Yeah, crispy on the
Yeah.
edges. And while that's cooking, we're gonna make some sauce.
Making the sauce, okay? You put in some chives.
Yeah,
We're gonna show you. Yeah, you guys wanted kikoman, so I got kikoman. Okay. You got water,
vinegar.
There's so many different flavors in there, yeah? Sesame oil. Wow. And sesame seed. There you go.
설탕 아니에요?
넣어요.
That's sugar.
Sugar.
Yes. Becca, so what about this?
Yes, this is our red pepper, Korean red pepper. It's not super hot. So I'm gonna heat just a little bit in here. And then you're gonna see, oh, this taste is gonna be so ono. Look at that.
Oh! Oh, that thing looks so 맛있다. Look
맛있다.
맛있다. Looks so
맛있다.
맛있다.
Yeah, and you can smell them already.
Oh, I
huh?
can smell them.
Here we go.
Here
Taste
we go.
test.
Yeah. Taste test. Huh?
Yeah.
A Korean
Moment
pancake.
of
Okay, here we go. Oh. Oh, this is real 맛있다.
맛있다.
Yeah, 맛있다. Oh. Oh.